Seagrass meadows are a unique marine habitat that many people are unaware of. Seagrasses are important in providing vital breeding, nursery, and foraging grounds for a variety of animals. These plants have many benefits. They help clean the air of the harmful greenhouse gas, carbon dioxide. Seagrasses also aid against soil erosion, produce oxygen, and improve water quality. Seagrasses have long, grass-like leaves as well as roots and stems, and they are closely related to flowering plants. In fact, they are the only flowering plants that can live underwater. Seagrass meadows typically occur in shallow, sheltered, and soft-bottomed marine areas. The depth in which seagrass can grow is controlled by the availability of light for photosynthesis. So in clearer waters, seagrasses can occur much deeper. In the UAE waters, we have 3 species of seagrass. The most common species locally is Halodula uninervis. Seagrass beds support hundreds of associated species. Seagrasses are known as primary producers because they make their own food through photosynthesis. They can be eaten by animals, and so they have an important role in the food web. Seagrasses have high biodiversity, meaning that a large collection of different types of plants and animals live there. Juvenile fish find shelter and protection amongst the seagrass, and adult fish use seagrass beds as breeding and foraging grounds. These small-scale pteropods have horizontal stripes to help them blend in with the seagrass and hide from predators. Goby fish live inside a hole in the soft sediments found in seagrass meadows, and they have a symbiotic relationship with a nearly blind shrimp. The shrimp builds and maintains a burrow that both the animals live in, and the fish offers the shrimp protection from predators. Flounders are flatfish with both eyes on one side of their head, facing up from the soft sand. They are very good at blending in with their environment, and they use this skill to catch their unsuspecting prey. Flounders are ambush predators, feeding primarily on small fish and crustaceans, and they are at the top of many seagrass food chains. This one seems to have recently eaten a goby shrimp, and all we can see is the large claw of the shrimp remaining. Seagrass beds are home to a number of invertebrates, which are animals without backbones, such as shellfish, crabs, sponges, and urchins. They graze and find shelter between the leaves or in the sediment underneath. Seagrasses host a wide range of crabs and shrimps. Here is a mating pair of blue swimmer crabs, a common resident of our seagrass meadows. By day, they usually hide beneath the sand with only their eyes showing, and then launch themselves at their prey. But at night, they become mobile and they search for food. A courting male catches a female and carries her beneath him for 4 to 10 days, while protecting her when she molts and fending off other males. While they may look similar, seagrasses are very different from seaweeds, which are a type of organism known as algae, not a flowering plant. Algae are much less complex than seagrasses, and do not have nutrient-absorbing roots like seagrasses do. Seagrasses provide area for the attachment of epiphytes, which are plants that grow on other plants. These epiphytes reduce seagrass growth due to shading. As seagrasses die, the decomposition of dead seagrass plants provides food for worms, sea cucumbers, crabs, and filter feeders. And as the dead leaves wash on shore, they provide food for animals in other coastal habitats. Seagrass meadows are under increasing threat from various human activities. To help protect our meadows, we must improve local water quality, prevent direct damage to seagrass meadows, create protected areas of seagrass, reduce overfishing, and reduce stress from coastal development. These actions, in turn, will protect the animals found within the meadows and help fight climate change. Big steps are required to safeguard as well as restore these habitats, but lots of people taking small steps to protect seagrasses can work toward a brighter future for these secret undersea gardens.